Hey guys, welcome to Free Tutorial TV. Thank you for visiting my channel. Watching this video about Python for Beginners tutorial. We have used command terminal for Python script execution as well as idle IDE for running application. Command terminal and idle IDE is for testing your Python code and scripts. If you require to start a big project or a big user application with GUI feature, then we need to use some kind of IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment in order to develop such kind of big projects or user customized application. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Pycharm Professional on your Windows and operating system, which is the most popular idea today and used by many developers to develop Python application. Pycharm, if download from jetbrains.com site, the software is a trial version of 30 days. If you want to crack the software, and then we need to download from Torrent site. To use Torrent, we need to install two application. 1. uTorrent web version. 2. Opera Mini with VPN. Now open Opera Mini VPN and search a torrent site name piratebayproxy.net. Search for Pycharm by typing in search field. Click magnet button in the first line with 5 cedar. Now download the application with crack using uTorrent. By clicking magnet it will attach to uTorrent automatically. Double click on the application installer. And now you can see Pycharm installation wizard has been started. So here you just need to click next, and this is the location where Pycharm will be installed on your computer. So it will be installed inside your C directory, then program files JetBrains, and then there will be a directory created which will be called the Pycharm community, whatever version you have downloaded. So I'm going to click next. Now on this next video you will see two options. One is to create a shortcut, so we are going to choose this option with a 64-bit launcher. Now the second option here is create associations, and I'm not going to check this checkbox because I don't want that on my computer. I will leave this unchecked. And the next option here is download and install the Pycharm 64 by JetBrains. There is no harm in this, so I'm going to check this checkbox and I'm going to click next. And now I'm going to click on the install button. So this is going to start installing Pycharm on my Windows 10 operating system. So I need to wait for some time until this installation is finished. So now the installation is completed. And you can also see that is up Pycharm shortcut path which is created on my desktop. I will check the checkbox which will start Python IDE, and I'm going to click finish. They're just going to launch that Python IDE. Now for the first time when Pycharm starts, it will ask you this question whether you want to import any settings from the previous installation of Pycharm. We don't have any previously installed Pycharm, so we are going to just leave this as default. It says do not import setting, and then click OK, and then you will see this license terms and conditions window. If you agree with all these license terms and conditions, then just click accept, and one more window appears here which is for data sharing. So I'm going to just say don't send, and now you can see Pycharm IDE has been launched. It will ask you to select which theme, dark or light. I'm going to choose this light theme, which is intelligent theme, and then I'm going to just click on next, and on this next window you will see some feature to plug in. So for now I'm not going to install any of the plugin. I'm going to just say start using Pycharm. We're just going to start Pycharm. So now Pycharm IDE has been started. So let's create a new project here. So I'm going to click on new project, and now we need to give the title of this project. And Pycharm asks you where you want to save this project. So I'm going to just give the name to my project. So let's name our project as a Hello World, and then I'm going to just click on create button, which is going to create a Python project. And now you can see on the left hand side that this file is created, which is hello world with main.py file added by Pycharm for us. And now on this idea, for example, let's print hi guys, welcome to Free Tutorial TV once again. So I'm going to just print guys welcome to Free Tutorial TV. In the menu bar click run, and in the output section you can see hi guys welcome to Free Tutorial TV. So this is how you can install Pycharm on your Windows operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends and family. Have a nice day.